Hi everyone, I'm back and we're going to learn our new tricky word for today, okay? Our new tricky word is H-E-R-E. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Let's try it one more time, shall we? H-E-R-E. Here. 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 Oh, that's a really good tricky word to learn. Now, can you think of a sentence with the word here in it? I can think of one. Where is the hand sanitizer? Here it is. Now, you can think of more sentences at home and you can ask your mom and dad to make a recording of it and you can send it to me and I can have a listen, okay? Now, we're also going to be learning our new sound for today. Now, it looks like this. Can you see that? Okay. Now, I know there are two letters here. But it only makes one sound. So it goes like this. A. One more time. A. I'm going to play this song for us, okay?
My ear hurt, I was in pain.
A.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
A. Shall we do it one more time?
My ear hurt, I was in pain.
A.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
A. Okay, everybody, go get yourself some markers, maybe a few markers, some paper, anything that you'd like to write with, maybe a pencil and a paper, or a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, or some chalk, anything that you'd like to write with. Why don't you go get it and come back, and we're going to write some words together. All right, everyone's back. Excellent. Now, we're going to write some A words. Now, remember our sound that we learned today? A. Okay? Now, I can think of a word that has A in it, and it sounds like A, n, a, n. Train. Train has an A in it. So shall we write it down? I can hear four sounds in it. A, n. Train. Let's get our markers out and let's try, okay? First sound. T, t. A line down and a bridge. You got it? Second sound. A line down and a hook. Got it? A. That's the sound right here. A. And the last sound is n. A line down. Jack went up the hill and fell down. You got it? Excellent. Now, let's show it to each other. Have you got the word train? Yeah, well done. Got a few words that I've written out already, and I'm going to sound it out, and you're going to read it with me, okay? Here we go. Now you can see that I've underlined the A sound here. Can you see that? A. So I know that this is A when I read, okay? So it goes like this. A, ale, nail. That's right. Let's try this one. B-r-ain, b-r-ain, brain. Brain. Very good. Almost there. Paint, paint, paint. What does that sound like? Paint. Very good. And the last one. Snail, snail. Excellent job, everybody. Okie dokie, everybody. We've come to the end of our lesson today. So let's just recap the sound that we learned today. What was it again? A. A. Very good. And of course, don't forget our tricky word. What was it again? H-E-R-E. Here. All right, everyone, it's time for say goodbye, and I will see you again soon, okay? So here's the song that we're going to sing when we say goodbye. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo.